Hello. What do I do when I open a Word file and encounter this error? Downloads. Word file. Enable editing. You always have to click this button to be able to edit the file. To fix this error, follow these steps. File. Options. Trust Center. Trust Center settings. Protected view. There are 3 check boxes here. Uncheck all 3 boxes. Uncheck. OK. OK. Close. Check. Open the Word file. Great. The Enable Editing button has disappeared. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck. I'll repeat the steps so you can see them more clearly. Trust Center. Trust Center settings. Protected view. Uncheck all 3 boxes.